Hello everyone, in this video I want to share 5 simple secrets I use to paint this spring landscape, especially focusing on the colors, atmosphere and the overall mood of the painting. I uploaded the tutorial for this painting just previously. You can visit my channel to watch it and I have also provided the link below. So number 1, soft sky colors. The first secret is the soft sky colors. For the sky, I used a mix of cobalt blue, light blue and a little bit of light violet and titanium white. These colors help create a very calm and open feeling in the painting. Instead of using very strong or dark blues, I kept the colors soft and slightly pastel so the whole landscape feels peaceful and light. You will also notice that I added soft clouds in the sky. This is very important in this composition because the sky covers a large area of the painting and there are no big trees or tall objects to break that space. If the sky was just a flat blue color, the painting could feel a bit empty. So by adding these gentle clouds, the sky gets more depth, more movement and more visual interest. And it also helps guide the viewer's eye naturally across the painting. Number 2. Layered green hills. The second secret is layering the green hills. For the distant hills, I used cooler greens mixed with a bit of blue and violet. This makes the hills look softer and farther away. This farther away is very important. For the closer hills, I used slightly deeper greens, but I still try to keep the colors mostly on the cooler side. Throughout the painting, I kept a strong viridian green tone in many areas. This helps the whole landscape stay in a fresh morning mood with a cooler atmosphere instead of becoming too warm. This subtle shift between cooler distant greens and slightly deeper foreground greens helps create depth and natural distance in the landscape. Number 3. Curved road composition. The third secret is the curved road running through the landscape. Instead of painting a straight road, I created a soft winding path that leads the viewer's eye from the foreground to the small house in the distance. And to increase the sense of perspective, the road actually continues behind the house and slowly disappears around the corner of the distant hills. This creates the feeling that the road is coming from very far away, which adds a lot more depth to the painting. In the foreground, I also created a slightly higher flower field. From the edge of this flower land, the road curves gently and turns away towards the unknown. Because of this curve, the road doesn't cut straight through the scene. Instead, it flows naturally through the land, making the composition feel more dynamic and full of depth. Number 4. Colorful wildflowers. The fourth secret is wildflowers in the foreground. I use small touches of yellow, pink, purple, white and blue to make the field feel vibrant. This little color creates a beautiful contrast against the green grass and make the foreground look rich and full of life. Another important thing is color balance. Some of the colors that are used in the sky and distant mountains are also repeated in small amounts here in the flower field, like blue, purple. By repeating a few of those tones in the foreground, the whole painting feels more connected and balanced, rather than having completely separate color areas. Number 5. Soft cherry blossom trees. And the final secret is the cherry blossom trees. I used light pink mixed with a touch of yellow and titanium white to create soft blossom textures. The goal was to keep them light, airy and delicate so they feel like spring flowers gently blooming in the landscape. You may also notice that only a small part of the tree trunks and branches are visible. This is because the trees are placed quite far in the distance. So instead of showing strong details, I only suggested a few supple trunks and branches, just enough for the viewer to understand the structure of the trees. This helps the trees look lighter, softer, and more distant, while keeping the focus on the beautiful pink blossoms. So these are the 5 simple ideas that helped me create this peaceful spring landscape painting. I hope these tips inspire you in your own paintings, and if you'd like to see the full step-by-step tutorial, you can check the video on my channel. Thank you.